Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer about x, that is about x to the power of 1 over 3 multiplied by to the power of number 3. About number 8, that is about 2 to the power of number 3. So we have the formula in here. 8 to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equals to a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. So in this one, we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. Now we need to simplify this one and this one. Next, we put number 8 going here and here. And now we have the final answer. And we have 1 over 12. This is the end. Thank you for watching.